Okay, so it's 7 o'clock in the morning at meron tayong special car na gagawin. Pero ito, hindi ito yun. Liga. Dito tayo. We have here an 2025 Audi RS6. Ngayon, si client brought in itong kotse na to because he wants to put a little bit more character dun sa sasakyan. So, he wants us to install matte PPF para magmukhang frozen yung paint. So, frozen effect, frozen look, matte finish to add a little bit more, just a little bit more na character dito sa ating project car. So, we have fully degreased the car, but meron pa tayong konting prep steps na gagawin. But we will get started on it today. So, yun. So, okay, let's go! After 1 week and approximately 80 working hours, here it is, ang ating Audi RS6 Stealth PPF project. So, we installed matte PPF, so which converted the car from gloss finish to matte finish. Of course, this is a combination of gloss and matte PPF. Yung gloss PPF natin went on to the black piano black trim sa exterior ng sasakyan, also sa interior ng sasakyan. So, which makikita nyo na nag-i-install kami ng PPF sa interior ng car. So, I think, opinion ko lang, I think the matte PPF gives it a more aggressive look. A little bit more character. Na sporty yung sasakyan, so I think it works well with the matte look. Of course, we have the 22-inch rims, no? So, sporty talaga siya. Not only does the matte PPF change the look of the overall look of the car, it also gives it that much needed protection. No? So protection against rock chips, against scratches, against contaminants, against the environment, against oxidation. So it is there to preserve the car also. So since this is a wagon, I'm pretty sure that the owner will be driving his family to many family trips or adventures, and the car needs that protection. Challenges. Okay, so installing matte PPF on a car like this is not really particularly easy, no? It has very aggressive body lines, no? So we have to be very careful when installing PPF on those areas because those are prone na magkaroon ng bubbles, magkaroon ng air pockets, no? So we have to be extra careful when dealing with those kinds of panels. Now, when we go to the bumpers naman, it's not really that difficult, pero it does have some deep crevices. So, like for example, in this part, we did our best to make it as seamless as possible. So, walang seam dyan. And as full as possible. So, hanggang sa loob ng part na to, we do have PPF. And then, yung mga chin, tsaka lower parts ng bumper, there is also PPF there. So, protected yan kung sakali mang mag-gutter si boss or malubak or sumabit yung ilalim. He can rest assured na na may protection siya doon. Sa rear bumper naman, it was a little bit more straightforward compared to the front bumper, no. The only challenge point there was the diffuser, which we also installed PPF. Since it's a gloss black finish, we installed gloss PPF naman doon. So, when dealing with cars like this, of course, it's a conversion from gloss to matte, no? So, dapat we pay extra attention, no? We give extra attention to the corners, to the edges, and we try to make it as seamless as possible. So, dyan papasok yung precision ng installer, dyan papasok yung understanding ng installer when dealing with tension, kasi most PPF installers know, especially yung mga talagang matagal nang nagpi-PPF, it's all about tension. So when you want to make it as clean as possible, as full as possible, you have to apply the right tension dun sa mga especially sa mga curved panels. As we get ready to say goodbye to the RS6, no, she will be headed home tonight. No, the client is getting her na in a while. I'm very excited to see the look or the reaction ng owner when he finally gets to see the new look on his brand new car. Of course, not only did we put a little bit more character dun sa kotse by installing matte PPF, like I said, you get tons and tons of protection, which is yun naman talaga yung binabayaran mo. So when the owner will be driving this car, I'm pretty sure he's gonna get a lot of peace of mind, no? When driving with his family or heading to the golf course, kasi golfer itong may-ari na to, and a very, very good golfer at that. So boss, pag naglaro tayo, remember, bigyan mo akong plus kasi parking pa lang, dehado na ako. So, yan. I guess nothing left to say, but thank you for watching, and we do have one more exciting project that I'm very, very eager to get started on. Hope you stay tuned for that, and thank you. Bye-bye.